don't get even the commander FSAS Lagos.
Okay.
He came to our office with his condolence. He can't go visit the family of. They can't go visit the family of the
yeah, we see the pictures too.
Condolence. He expressed say the thing pain and well. So we said we understand the. Not be say I know when I say I understand. Not be say understand. See that kind of thing supposed to happen. Me, I understand in pain.
Okay.
See that kind of thing in the organ for the place. The thing happen when
Under
he
in watch.
the thing pain and well. So far, even Commissioner of Police, the governor come our place on Sunday, come commensurate with us. All those people don't comment. We so far we won't bury by special grace of God, we won't bury the deceased by Friday by special grace
Last
of God.
officer this
Yes.
Friday.
Hopefully, yes. If you can get the body, they won't do coroner inquest. So at least they sure say that this thing cause death. And the police will die. People won't know say she not the police.
Say that true say yeah, because some people talk say you shall say no be another body
exactly.
they go bring.
Not be lie, because I know person where they ask me when that your own picture now begin they work out for social media. Say how we want take this show.
Say no be say na cover up.
Exactly.
So all those ones they way that they do. So that one they delay the burial. But we don't. Hopefully by end of today they will don't do finish that one. So by Friday we go bury.
But okay, make we come look am now with this one where just happen, and we know say another one happen after a whole now.
I say another one say happen yesterday.
Even the day after, as they take the news here, they send us message of one where they happen where they tackle some last month officers for go to Kuyo. And this keeps happening. Because I want to ask the question, no verse as the FSAS commander for Lagos follow now go commiserate, go talk sorry for his family. Waiting with the assurance say this go stop.
No, you see, when we make scapegoats, when we get scapegoat, that's why sometimes people they tell me, it been there as the officer attack. So they're supposed to do scapegoats. When we get scapegoats, we deal with the person. So other people will know say you not feel do this type of thing make you get
go scot free like
I
that.
as yesterday, 7 vehicles pass one way. Our men intercept the vehicle.
They stop them.
Say as they carry the vehicle go our yard. Policemen go meet them for road, shoot.
Yesterday.
They tell you yesterday.
Which area it is?
Now for mainland side. This one because my main officer now he call me, tell me. So now every day this type of thing they happen. And we don't talk. Say if you get issue, come. We get even now not be say you be police or you be soldier. If you think say what you do, you get your right. Come our office, we get complaints. They always give our number. I don't get so many away because person complain. I don't discipline officer because of complaint because severally when you do them, okay. Even you get person with the issue ticket, when the person complain say you not do this thing. When you come, you explain. Now the officer go pay. All those things they do them. You understand? And that's why we bring this court system. Say no last man the issue ticket. The last man officer and the offender now then they go court. The two of you go explain what happen. Now the magistrate go decide.
So make we look at now, my guy. On top of this one now, where they happen now, how we go take make we talk about the performance of your officers and at least make this kind thing now. No, if they weigh them down for the job where they do now.
You see, as you talk, I do appreciate it because just today, I see person where they pass one way. I can't pursue and make it go. Not because I want Olam, make it go back. Now members of the public, and then they say make it pass this side, make it pass this side. So when public say they encourage traffic offender, they are demoralize our guys for when person commit offense, instead make everybody make them face the person who commit offense. And last man they go face.
Okay, more quickly face last man for good right now as we want to take this report we want enter. Good afternoon. No go fit stop am.
No, you know wear uniform.
Now here I talk now, you know wear uniform. That is why people be think say na armed robber we carry gun. And that is why there be mob action be happen, jungle justice. So you know suppose you wear uniform, even ordinarily, somebody supposed to be above the law because you wear uniform. You remember how many times even the former governor be stop high oga for military on top of BRT lane, he stop him. Even government body don't stop plenty, even commercial bus drivers like that. Who's supposed to be above the law? Talk to us.
You see, the thing where they happen in Nigeria, we say everybody, once you get uniform, you don't take and oppress another person.
Even security guard.
Yeah, everybody, once you wear uniform, you want to oppress.
Man, no war.
Now everybody. So now the problem, if I tell you, say last man said they do it sometimes. When you go see a commercial vehicle, you go always see them. Now soldier go there in front, now police. The police not go pay. and it means say the driver fit commit any offence because uniform personnel dey there. I don't pursue last month officer for BRT now. The way he carry vehicle, he dey inside, he dey pass BRT. Yes, now I hold am.
Wow.
I hold am and I make sure say the vehicle pay the fine. I not even carry am go court. I tell her if you not pay, I stop in salary. So it's a problem with this nation. Everybody wants to oppress another person.
We don't fit stop am.
Now the thing where I talk, we go show examples. The day where I catch last man for that Aziz, no last man they pass that place, except you dey official vehicle, they know they pass them again. Now examples, when you pick person, show an example, other people then go comply. Only examples.
Talking about complying, quickly, make we take this one. And Governor Akinwumi Ambode be deal with you now on Sunday to come, talk sorry on top of the person we waka. Make we hear waiting him be follow and talk on that day.
Courage. You said, I tell you, the second day where this happen, I salute the courage of those men. That Yanapaja, they still go there, go work.
True. I don't understand how it take happen.
I salute them courage. When people they blame last sometime, if you see the things where these people they face every day, I say just last week I did Yanoworo, they control traffic. Person won't run me down.
You
for yes now. They're not people know they care. Now when you owe them, they go come to say waiting their life.
And our people go begin beg still.
The beg where I received for that one, not be only from Lagos. After the guy won't run come out, you see one eat one of my house wear uniform.
Okay, Ogami, make we try look interagency relationship now. It be like saying now one thing where at times they missing for all we matter be that now. How now they take relate with other agencies out there now, especially security and safety agencies?
You see the problem we say the officers, they relate very well. But those junior ones, they rank and file, and them always be problem. Like I feel call the commandant with the Air Force. You go receive my call, even my men. They call each other. Then when they get you, then they solve them. But those rank and file, some they come from other states too. Maybe person you won't come visiting neighbor for friend for Lagos. You go wear army uniform, you not go pay money now. Go wear army uniform, come Lagos, come misbehave. So not be all of them they where the communities of friends, not be all of them they in Lagos. But we they relate. If you go Yanopaja now, we get Air Force there, we get army there, NSCDC, FRSC, they control traffic with last man. If you go Ikeja along, then they. If you go K2, then they. That means say we dey relate. Not be say we not dey relate, but we go get some recalcitrant people.
Those we know the hear
word.
word.
We know the hear word, whether you like or
so
not.
So for this one now, what go be the solution now? Because we got to get solution. If we go stop, all these things where they happen, we know the sweet person belly now. We got to get solution.
If na civilian do am, but the person carry gun, which I want to, what my men fit do, and na the thing where they happen, people they always come and say they see last man officer. They not do anything. It's because they are the owner of the boss. People keep complaining. Person way don't show my officer gone one day. You show her the second day. The person won't pass one way. The officer go let them pass now. So other people go come follow him because they know say that one carry gun. They let them go. The person will follow and they go block him. The next thing people say, why you let that person go? What I do? Why you let them? All those unpainted vehicles. Now police and soldier now you get them.
But some of the yellow ones that go say now your men then get them, so that's why they allow them break law and then they go away with them.
They do as you do radio now. Your area of confidence is entertainment. So whether you like, you go to do entertainment. So if last man, now area of competence be that, okay, with area of comfort, if possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. I've never seen. I have never seen. But I'm not saying it's not possible, but because they're always
invest also.
They're always on the road. So if they want to invest, that's where they will invest. It's natural. I'm not saying it's not happening.
But you never see one case study.
Okay, maybe we take this question where they come from Jide now. Good afternoon. You think the traffic problem is not about downfall drivers, but about uniform men. We all need sensitization. That's what Jide TikTok now. Now the solution with that?
Yes, you see sensitization. How do I sensitize somebody that doesn't even want to listen? Look, like I use Yanoworo example. If you have 100 vehicles going into Yanoworo, maybe only 10 will be commercial, and they don't listen to our men there. You have to go and put a special force there to control traffic. There are about 20 uniform men, about 10 last man officers every evening
for
Yanoworo, just for people to enter the lay-by and drop passenger and go. 90% of them are private vehicles. They are not uniform men. No. There are people like me and you, where they call, how would they call them? We wear tie.
Civilian.
Honestly, they don't listen. They don't obey.
Okay, on Sunday also when Governor Ambode become greeting for last man yard for Oshodi, him be talk something concerning enforcement measures. Make we hear them. Difference with waiting be on ground before. And this one go fit help people to obey the traffic law 2012?
This one, our operation, no mercy.
No mercy.
And the thing will happen. So if person call me, FCS, you know me. But like I did not call me. I'm not going to answer you. If person commit offense, you know what will happen?
Okay.
That's our problem. Like the same way they are problem with this. As people don't know, say me and you, we know. You will go commit offense. Not be you. You not go commit offense. The person go call you. You go they call me. If I not answer to you, you go say, and I see for favor, and the call I not pick call. All those things, then now all these things they cause problem because people know say they get person where they go call, we go help them beg. But what we don't they do now? No begging. Just yesterday, after person pay fine, about 3 or 4 people. Magistrate say, okay, follow last man. You say go control traffic. Say the thing be. Now the community service be that. Another one they go. Another say they go. Mongra Shade today. Now they after paying.
Also, now they take their pictures.
Picture they.
Mona send them.
We
need to share.
You see, I laugh. I did laugh in Spanish.
Don't discuss something.
It's not easy. Look, I get one data here. Make you understand what I mean they go through. Every day in Lagos, averagely 850 articulated vehicles enter Lagos.
850.
Averagely, tanker minimum of 219 enter Lagos.
Minimum of
219.
Okay.
Then other trucks 280 enter Lagos. So make people can understand. See, breakdown every day. At least 11 tanker go break down. Containerized vehicle another 11. Truck 74. Trailer 23 every day. So that's not the thing where we they contend with this.
You know, things that visitors they cause this nuisance, quote and unquote, on top of the road.
You see now as Lagos be.
Because we dey Lagos, we dey hear traffic radio, we know everything. But now the outsiders, when they come, in as much as we all are one Nigeria, but maybe now them they cause this begin for your main mass.
Not be only that. You see, you know Lagos now. All of us we know as we be. When they talk of Lagos, when people misbehave, me I tell you say I be Lagosian, I know what in Lagosian fit do. We get one kind of character wey dey different for anywhere in the world. Lagosian they go tell you say na no man's land. Person fit do thing get away with am. Now in the governor they tell us say we know they allow every time. Again, you know wetin we know they do before, we know they show am visibly wetin we dey do. So we want make people they see am now. They show people example say okay, you commit offense, we go show you for TV.
Nice one.
We go flash out, everybody go see what you do. Not begging. By the time when the thing happen, I don't carry and go TV. People don't see am. Who will come beg me? Because if you beg me, people go they say follow up. What happen after your show? So all those one now you won't start now. Not be say we not the work. Before they tell you say last man don't gentle now.
Say last man a toothless bulldog. Una no dey fit do anything like before.
Waiting they happen.
Person go slap last man go away.
Last man not dey fight like before. Our yard full. I go any of our yard. See vehicles with food there. If you know the work, where then get the vehicle? Not the show.
Michael, make we allow Lagosians talk to Oga this afternoon.
Collect driver's license. Say you won't drive for road. Now last man go dey tell and say make you not park where you not supposed to park. Let me tell you, if na developed country, this one, if you break traffic light, nobody they even pursue you. They don't take your photograph. 50 pounds. They go send them. That one are automatic. You not go see person who you. Now because we dey see person, we not get that away if you owe person. That's how that person they talk. Yes, I know some of our men feel they high-handed. Yes, but look, I tell that the point where that person they talk. If you don't tell like 50 people, when they come out, another person come, you tell her, another person come,
and a woman being
waiting. Not be in job with that one. In job now to control traffic. And if person commit offense, he go pick up. So you know it's neither here nor there. Let me also say that you see sometimes the way we approach these our officers, it's another issue. Look, that you are not what I still want to repeat. Somebody, my officer was talking to someone. Do you know what that guy said? He said an ordinary last man talking to him.
Ordinary.
I was angry and I was there. I had to honestly, I have to say he was being insulting. And I asked him.
We switch to PG.
And I can't ask him and say, which school you go?
Okay.
You talk am. I call the officer. Which school you go? I can see your face. Waiting your qualification. The guy get masters. This one get HND. They tell the officer because
last man we get masters.
We get masters. They tell the ordinary last man they talk to him. So that approach, if you carry that type of approach, go meet person for road. He say go there as him go behave.
First of all, now human being before you become last man officer. This one is touching.
Make we go to the phone lines now.
You see, if last man person want arrest vehicle, Lagos, one person not fit do am. They go beat am up. So that is why when you dey see them, they gather. Now because of the problem wey they face for road, and members of the public go dey support offender. Look, me with my retinue of staff, person pass one way. Before I feel remove the vehicle, they beg. Oga leave am now. You know as they chop, they go come.
They take
And because we plenty, and they see me, I be the oga. If na one person, they go beat am. Now the thing wey dey happen, people go dey support offender.
Wetin the law talk when you beat person wey dey do im work?
Na 2 years imprisonment.
Why? How many una don pick up like that?
We dey pick them, so many. You know the problem.
Because the thing dey make me.
The thing wey dey happen be say, you know say if na 2 people dey there, you no fit arrest person wey dey disturb am. Na the offender, because na the vehicle you go wan comot. Say if you comot the vehicle, the offender go dey in trouble. But the passerbys, then they encourage people make they commit offence.
We get this report where they enter now. One truck.
The law does not exempt anybody. But let me just make I tell you the challenge wey you get. You know, I arrest policeman now, for example. Where I go carry am go? Not be police station. So if I carry am go police station, wetin go happen? The same thing if last man offend you, if not be say the type of thing wey we put for ground. If last man offend you, the last man officer don know say he dey for trouble if you come our place. So if other forces fit dey do like that, I know say we go get something.
Okay, we get so many messages. Okay.
This one wey dey talk about last man dey use stout.
Yeah.
Please, we have dismissed this year alone. We don dismiss more than 20 officers.
Wow.
We don reduce in rank more than 10, 15. I can't even. So it's not something. The thing dey happen. Yes, we dey see sometimes it dey happen. So if people not report, me I no fit know.
You know the spirit.
The thing wey dey happen for Yanoba, I no fit know for Ikeja. You understand? So if people see am, if they fit gather, help us to help the state.
You get phone number where they feel call.
Yes,
make we give them out.
Okay, before I go give the phone number, make we just take other messages
okay.
now.
Yeah, when did they give the
Exactly.
number? We get some.
This one.
Go put am for Songo. Which time him go leave us reach Songo. So now the problem and the challenge wey dey get be say majority of people dey leave Songo way back for Ikorodu axis. So we not get people wey dey live for island, Lekki, all those ones. So we get that type of challenge. So we dey try manage. Not be say we don't know. Say if person too take for one place, suppose come on, but we dey try. So our phone number, if anybody get issue, call our PRO. You can call our PRO 081 299 28503.
Oga, me that one too fast. 081
299
299
28 503.
503.
Then our provost marshal
Okay.
081